Hopefully you can see them. I think that's as close as I can get, yeah. This is for you, Mom. These are little birds. We got this little finch nest, and they've just finally, after 2 days, decided that they were going to go inside of it. And that's the female that's poking her head out of it, and the male is the one that's arrogantly sitting on the bar. I don't know. Can you see if you can get a little bit closer with this? Here, I'm going to give this to Michael. Be patient. Here, you can see if you can get... Oh, there you go. That's cool. See, and you know what? It's like...
Is it filming?
Yeah, it's filming. That's a great picture of him. Like, when's... Of course, now he's not saying a word. Before, he's singing his fucking head off. And, like, now he's not going to say anything. He's cute.
Both
Oh, there he goes.
First time both of them were in there.
Yeah. Ah, that's cool. There's a little head's going to come popping out. Aren't they fun? All right. Love you. Bye.